In this Overland Australia episode, we continue our southern coast drive. At Port Campbell, we took a walk to enjoy the summer weather.
Here we stepped from a summer day to a winter day.
All in a day?
In 24 hours.
Wow.
The next day, we continued our coastal drive. What's for lunch, Bambi? Our new objective was the Tower Hill Reserve, the home to a dormant volcano that was last active 30 to 10,000 years ago. It seems like a lazy reserve.
We made it to the top of the last volcano, and that's the crater in the middle. Let's go find the last emu. So what creates these platter marks? Let's find out. In case you're interested in becoming an emu hunter, this is emu food.
And this is processed emu food.